Good day, sir. I choose this advertisement from the internet because it captures how the product from globalizations became localized to a specific nations. This product is all about Cornito. Cornito is an Italian brand of ice cream cone dessert which is manufactured and owned by the British Dutch company Unilever. And we know that this product is well known to several countries such as Italy, UK, Pakistan, Spain, and India. And that is the reasons why we come up that this product is being globalized. As we can see from the advertisement, sir, the cornito is being localized to our country or here in the Philippines. The reason is, as a Filipino, if you bought an ice cream or cornito, there are only two options of that. It's either we eat or we give it to someone as a gift. Especially when there is a celebration such as birthday, graduation, etc. Furthermore, as we can observe from the video, the cornito is being used as a tool to confess his feelings to a girl that he like. Or let's say, the thesis of the cornito is being used to convey his feelings. This also captures our traditions as a Filipino that if we like someone, we confess our feelings through giving them a flowers, chocolates, and foods. And sometimes, we use some materials or things that near to us just to get their attention. Like for example, in the advertisement, the boy used the jokes to connect the texts of Cornito such as, type ka daw ni Edie. Edie? Oo, Edie. Edie wo. Edie ako. And that is how Cornito being localized to our country. In addition, the product from globalizations became localized to a particular nation if that product is being used to their tradition or culture, or let's say their situations in that nation, or let's say the product is being used to their daily lives. Additionally, we can infer that the product is being localized if there is a language translations and cultural adaptations. Like for example, a food product might different ingredients or flavors to appeal to local taste, and also how the product being wrapped. Lastly, these advertisements from Cornito captures how globalized product being localized, and that is why I choose this advertisement, sir. And that's all, sir. Thank you.